Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can roll back your AMD graphic card driver. So maybe after the updates your graphic card kinda unstable or overheat, or maybe your game has a low FPS than previously. So maybe not all the GPU has a successful rate after the update, but maybe you have a bad luck. So after the update your driver get unstable. So here, in order to revert to previous driver, you have to download first this AMD driver. Like, you can try to search by old AMD drivers, and here for example click solve or old driver revision. This one for example AMD Radeon RX 6000 series previous driver, and you can click your operating system based on your operating system, and here we go, the old driver is provided for you. So like from 2023 there is Adrenaline 23.4.3, or just try to find your stable driver for best result. And after you download, do not install it yet. You have to roll back by install this DDU first, display driver uninstaller. So you have to make a clean install. By clean, reinstall the driver. So here, this is the interface. So there are three options. If you notice, there are three options: clean and restart, clean and do not restart, and clean and shut down for installing new graphic card. So here I recommend you to just clean and restart here. After that, you are going to go to the safe mode on your Windows. Then on the safe mode you have to install this driver, or just simply after uninstall this DDU, you don't have to go to the safe mode, but make sure your old driver is completely removed. After that, you can try to install this AMD driver, the old driver. Feel free to try to revert to roll back your driver. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and so click the button below. See you in the next